so we're tinting out the taillights. Basically just masking off all the areas we don't want to be painted.
And for anybody that questioned my name, Big Daddy Two Socks. Yeah, I was joking, so don't take that seriously. People call me by my regular name because that's what people in America do. So I don't even know where that came from.
Dang, it's not even like black.
I hate that smell.
Just shake it viciously for 1 minute.
Why does it have to be bit? Yeah, that's weird.
It's vicious.
It's a little weird.
There it is, see? It is black.
We have confirmed. It's gonna rain. I don't know why you're doing this today.
We're gonna put a camera. We're at the back of the garage. I moved one box. That one box.
Move it where?
Back. Good. Water got on it. Does it look different to you? It kind of does look darker. It really does. But I mean, that's the first coat. First coat really doesn't do shit. So now I gotta unpeel it off and redo it.
What?
Because water got on it. You can't have any water on it. So I gotta get all that water off.
Peel what off?
All of this. Try it again. Alright, we got it off. Take two. Go get something to eat. Let's go get some, let it dry for a little bit. First coat. Eat. Oh, last one. I was looking at the Pringles, but I bet you they're old.
It's like
zebra cake.
waterfall. I'm fat, so. Can't watch this.
It's blurry. It's not focusing. Can you record?
Not the best.
Get like an archy shot like up close.
God dang.
Is it getting on the camera?
I don't know, but it's getting on me. Well, how's that gonna help, Desmond?
Well, I don't want it.
Let me block this stuff.
Yeah, I'd rather block it and not get it on video. You know you can zoom in with the camera?
Yeah.
So you can get like far away and zoom in.
Get down on the boards.
Like what's up? What's up with that? What's up? Tell me what's up with that? What's up? What's up? What's up with that? What's up? What's up?
Look a little darker. Do like maybe 2 more coats. Okay, never mind. That's the last coat because it says don't apply more than 4 coats. I wonder why. The desired coating thickness followed by 1 coat to achieve a smooth and final film. Do not apply more than 4 coats. Alright, so I think that was 4 coats. And that was a good final finishing. We're gonna let it dry for 10 minutes. Finish my zebra cake because Jonathan already beat me to it. 3 socks. Oh, what was her name?
Big Daddy 2 Socks.
I ain't calling me that one now.
But I told them already.
So don't be like me and skip the step to like wrap maybe half of your car because we got overspray all over this too. Dang. Yep. Wait another 5 more minutes and then we'll start unwrapping that, and then we'll take off the excess peelant or peel coat. Yeah, this stuff was on like $4. Pretty cheap for lens tinting instead of buying like $200 tinted lenses or tail lights.
Why you playing with me? Why you playing with me? Girl, I'm trying to call you, know I'm trying to call you, what's up?
I have this. It's just that piece. I got it. I've already started it. Mother knucker.
Mother knucker. Coming out with some good memes, John.
Alright, dude.
Dirty.
It's not. That's the paint. Boy.
What if it's dirt?
It's not dirt.
What if it's dirt?
But it's not.
What if it's dust?
It's not. You dusty.
Dusty. They look pretty sick on the camera. I feel like this one's darker. I don't want that to be the case.
This one's in the dark and that's in the, that has more light.
Yeah, it could be. It's not too dark, but we haven't seen it like in the sunny area, I guess, so you can't really tell.
You ready to take it off?
Yeah, let me find a good place to put the camera.
Backflips. She said she like the kids cause I got big lips and we got all that chemistry. She showed me images. Pop up bean, now we limitless. It ain't gotta be real, baby, we can just pretend though. Got a cough and it wheezing that, I'ma pass it the endo. Goddamn, bruh, all this sauce. Unlock, then she pop her top. Girl, pick up the phone when I call you. First down, touchdown, I'ma go for 2 on you. I ain't tryna put the pressure on you. I got girls who hear the Arizona like, what's up?
What's up with that? What's up? Look at me now. Tell me what's up with that? What's up? What's up? What's up with that? What's up? What's up? Like what's up? What's up?
Alright, we're gonna end the vlog here. He has to go to work. You need to put your seatbelt on too. Alright, we're gonna end the vlog here. Please like, comment, subscribe. Keep it sexy.
Ooh.